Hey YouTube, One Eye Guy here. This is my first video. I've been trying to learn and keep track of what's going on in our solar system, and I want to give a thanks to Beano Black on YouTube. Got some awesome videos, finds a whole lot of neat stuff, and he's shown me how to kind of navigate my way around through some of these sites and see what's going on out there, the things we aren't hearing about in our mainstream news, but things I wanted to bring to your attention. We've got Venus over here. We got some massive CMEs going on. Let me rewind our little video player here. But what I found, this is on the SETI website. I found it at the Current Weekly Movies. It was the high 1, HI1, and 512 resolution. And you click on that, and you'll get what I'm getting here. But let me run through this, and I'll show you some things that Beano pointed out and some things that my wife and I found. So here's how this plays out. Bam. Okay, this is there's two satellites up there. It's a stereo, so to speak, almost 180 degrees to each other. Let me play it again. Now, keep an eye on Venus over here. Right in here. Bam. Okay, I'm going to rewind this, point some things out. You notice the backside of Venus here looks like the planet exploded, basically, to me. But we won't know what the rest of the story is until we get some more satellite telescope images. So let me back this up. Now, look at this ejection. Watch it come back in. It looks like a spiral, curly Q. Okay, see it spiraling. Now, notice this right here. Something big. A big planetary body, dead star, planet. I don't see any of the magnetism lines on it, so it might be like a dead star. We'll scroll back through this way. But you can definitely pick out its silhouette as this thing's going off and we're getting the CME. Now I'm going to back it up again, frame at a time, scroll, and it'll start to disappear, but it'll let me just keep going because you'll see it again. You'll see some more of its silhouette right there. See that? Right in there. I mean, there's no doubt in my mind there's something there, and it's lingering off in the distance. Now, notice up here, Beano and Dutch Sense pointed this out. Let me go forward. This is what Beano calls our meatball out there. This thing must just be absolutely massive. It's off in the distance, but look at the size of that. I mean, we're talking, I don't know, 1,000 times bigger than our sun. Beano says we got some that are 747 times bigger than our sun. But this one here, untelling, there it is right there. What a picture. Okay, so I'm going to pause this for a second, and I'm going to show you over here on this side. We can see it again. Well, I won't pause it. We can see this planet right here, or this dead star. We can see it over here. Now, let's see here. Alright, I'm going to go the other way now. Okay, now as this CME heads on out into space towards Jupiter, also just keep an eye on Jupiter because we're going to see some ejections off of Jupiter also. I don't know if it catches on fire or what, but okay, let's see if we can find this again. You can see a silhouette of this planet through the view from this telescope. And let's see here. It's coming. Alright, right there. Picking up the edge of it. It's right there. I'll get my cursor out of the way. Let's see if we can see it again here. So I can't just stop this in midstream and look for it. Boy. Bam. There's a big one. Right there. Okay, people, I am so sorry. Just couldn't find that little turd. Okay, it's right there. See it? Looks like the silhouette of the top of it. Go back and forth. Look, you'll see it. It's pretty apparent it's there. See? The CME's moving, or the plasma, whatever. But that little dude's staying right where it is. It's got its shadow right there. So I guess we could say maybe that's further confirmation that that thing is in fact there. I'm no astronomer. I'm just trying to learn what's going on and what the media is not telling us. And I'm really concerned about what's going on with all the talk of our wormwood Nibiru and our blue Kachina, the Hopi Indian legend. And we're definitely seeing a lot more solar activity here where I live. I've got some solar panels and a charging system, and even on a cloudy day I'm getting 10 amps from 600 watts of solar. So I know I've got a lot more photons coming through, because normally when the sun's low in the sky I might not see 15% recharge on a day, but heck, I'm getting 30-35% recharge. So alright, here, let's take a look at Jupiter here as we go through this. See that? It's starting to, Jupiter's starting to light up. I'll just keep scrolling on this. Massive ejections, massive. Right there, look at that. See, now if you notice, the clock stops on this camera, this satellite, on the 27th at 10 o'clock, 10:09, and this one here keeps running on the high 1B. It runs for I don't know, another 6 hours. So let me see here. Let's take a look at this Venus over here again. This is just absolutely spectacular. Never seen anything like it. Look at that corkscrew. Go back out. Look at it spin. And then you see that planet, or that body over there. Bam. I'm telling how far it is from us. But it appears it's there. And I don't see any, like Bino says, the magnetism. I don't see that on this. So it could very possibly be a dead star. But the meatball's still there. I'll just run this back. Look at that flare. This isn't labeled up here, but I'm going to think that might be Earth. This one here has magnetism on it, but I don't know what that is right offhand. So, like I said, I'm just learning this stuff like most everybody else. But this guy is huge. So I know there's probably a lot more in here that I missed. I know we got Lovejoy leaving the picture. I know Bino and Dutch picked up some things here about the head of the comet turned around, and the tail flipped back, and the head went forward again. It picked up something over here, and it might have had something to do with what I'm seeing over here. But I'm sure when you guys go through these things, you'll find a lot more things that I've missed. And if everybody can just keep posting some videos about what you find out there, there's a lot to look at. And maybe we can have a little forewarning if something gets some massive CMEs coming at Earth, because I know that they're hitting us right now. So we've got a lot going on with our magnetosphere. Let me just run through this a couple more times for you at full speed. A lot of activity. A lot of activity. Okay, folks, I'm out. It's One Eye Guy, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.